Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about the different WordPress plugins that are available to you that specialize in helping you set up an affiliate program. Okay, so there are three that we recommend, but the first one is called Affiliate WP. And the reason why I had you map out what you wanted to see in an affiliate program is so that you can take that information and then you can go to these sites and compare and make sure that these plugins actually fulfill your initial needs or the core needs. And perhaps as you grow, does it allow you to scale? Does it allow you to grow? Or does it limit you? Because that's something that you need to think about. It's not about just finding an affiliate program that has a lot of features. It's finding one that actually fits you and that will allow you to expand in the future. So Affiliate WP is well known. It's been around for a long time. In fact, since like WooCommerce came out, they've been out for many years. So as you can see, it says packed full of features, easy setup, unlimited affiliates, affiliate tracking. So that's good. It tracks affiliate referrals, so that's good for you. Track affiliate referred visits, referrals, earnings, affiliate registration in real time without delays. So the real time reporting is awesome. So that's a plus. It says affiliate coupon tracking, so connect coupon codes to specific affiliate accounts with the affiliate coupon tracking. Okay, so that's definitely good. So you want to read through here, make sure that's something that would fit you. So that would allow us to see, okay, even though this is blue and this is something that is not necessarily needed, but it's something that we could have in the future, we know that Affiliate WP can fulfill those needs. Okay, so we scroll down further, automatic affiliate creation, manual affiliate approval. All right, so referral rate types. Choose between flat rate, percentage referral rate, types on a global or per affiliate basis or per product basis. Okay, so that would actually fit really well with what we were talking about down here, which is the payout levels. So this actually fulfills the ability to give everybody, let's say 50%, but you can also say after somebody makes a certain amount of sales, then you can increase that referral rate per affiliate. And maybe you can do it per product. But to be honest, I would just do like a flat rate for per product basis, especially if you have a lot of products. But it would kind of make sense if you were selling physical products and the profit margin was a lot different compared to another product. So that's something that you might use, but in my opinion, that gets a little bit complex because then you're telling the affiliate, oh, I can only give you can earn up to 50%, or you earn 30% to 50%. And to me, that just creates a lot of questions for the affiliate that says, well, what can I earn on which? So it just creates a lot of questions. But if you're fine with that, no big deal. Set cookie expiration, choose how many days the referral tracking cookie would be valid for. Okay, so that goes back to here, which we talked about lifetime commissions. We talked about a certain number of days, months, or even years. So that would be this. Most affiliates have these features anyways, but I just wanted to scroll down and show you what's available to you through Affiliate WP. Now they do have a lot of add-ons, but we'll talk about that in a different video so that you can see what you can develop as far as the core goes and what you can add on later on. So another WordPress plugin is called Post Affiliate Pro. That's postaffiliatepro.com. And this is the affiliates software here. Scroll down here. So we can see that as far as tracking goes, people have access to a good amount of data So commissions, campaigns, and reports. So we click reports. So it's got a good amount of detail, which is good. So all impressions, clicks, unique clicks, decline clicks, commissions, conversion rate. So it gives the affiliate enough information so that enables them to make more sales and increase their conversions. Now, this one seems to be like a web application. So it integrates into WordPress, as you can see here. So it also integrates into other payment gateways as well. So that might be a plus if you want to use like a different payment gateway like PayPal or whatever. So that's an option here. Let's go under features. So we got affiliate link styles, custom affiliate tracking code, direct link tracking, multiple currencies, tracking methods, and all that. So the third one is called WooCommerce Affiliates by Yith. So this would work really well if you are using something like WooCommerce and you're utilizing that to sell either online courses or physical products or any product and service. Doesn't matter what it is, but you would need to be using WooCommerce in order to use this plugin. Yith is actually a company that focuses on a lot of WooCommerce plugins, and they have really good ones as well. So I wanted to show you this one in case you were utilizing WooCommerce. If you're not, then I recommend that you stick with Affiliate WP. But if you're using WooCommerce, then you might want to look into this one. So as we can scroll down, we've got different payment types. You can pay automatically commissions each time a new commission is issued on a specific day each month or reaching a certain threshold. So you can pay people automatically based on your schedule. So if you don't want to, worry about paying people like on the exact 30 days, then you can set this up and have it automatically pay for you. So that's a good for us. So we can see here instant payouts or after refund period. In this case, it's sort of a bit of two after the refund, and it's paying automatically for you. So this is not necessarily like they get the payment the day of the sale kind of thing. So set different commission rates. So that's good. We can set different commission rates based on products and users in your shop. So that's good. That fulfills this one here, or actually this one here. So different payout levels. So we scroll down here, we see create an affiliate history for each visit, approve automatically new affiliates, you can set a time for clicks, create and assign coupons to your affiliates. Okay, so that's good. So that fits the custom coupon codes up here. And if we go back over here, scroll down, let affiliates request payments. So you could have, so they could request payment. Well, that's interesting. So affiliate from order manually. So this is also good to have. So if somebody buys a product and maybe their payment just messes up, and you as the vendor and the product creator, and you see that an affiliate, referred that person, but because the order was created manually, it doesn't give them that credit. So that's good to have actually. So that's an add-on per se. So these are the two plugins I recommend. Post Affiliate Pro is another good one, but Affiliate WP is really good. We actually use this one, and this is good for majority of cases. And then of course, if you're using WooCommerce, then you'll want to check out this one. So in the next video, we're going to talk about the different add-ons and different potential additional features that you can tack on to your affiliate program.